Oh my days! What's good, people? It's your boy Ghost, Off Track TV. And today we're rolling with a friend. Come here real quick, I want them to see. I want them to see you. Come here. Go in front for a sec. You recognize that bike? Does it look familiar? It's my boy Felipe on my old LXR, my baby. I miss her so much. And we're just here, man. Before we take a little trip around London. Yes, this is kind of London. It's Hertfordshire, kind of on the outskirts of London. It's beautiful. It's so lovely. We're just out here going for a ride, chilling for a bit. Probably go back into London, meet some other friends. We were speaking of going for another little bike meet. I'm not really sure. He's brand new to riding. This is maybe like his probably less than 10th ride, but he's doing so well. I think he dropped the bike once, but it gets like that, man. It happens to all of us. Oh, look at this, man. Look at this. And this road is, what is this road, fam? And you get to ride this road every single day. No way, fam. Oh. Get used to it, fam. It's addicting. Left. Oh. Right. These are some nice houses, bro. I want to live here. Look at this. Oh my days. Where are we? Where are we, running? What, this right? Oh, not here. They're stopping like every 10 seconds, bro. Look at these houses, my guy. Look at this. I want to live here. I want to live here, bro. What the? Oh my days, fam. This is beautiful. Me? Nah. Come on, bro. I'm a professional at this. How's the guy with the L plate trying to tell me don't do nothing stupid? Is this guy okay? Is this guy okay? What the f? Hey, pass your test before you chat to me, I beg you, please. This guy good? Telling me not to do something stupid, fam. Me with the super bike telling me not to do nothing stupid. It's okay, my fellow YouTube people. Down at the end there. What, here? Are we turning right here? What? It's telling me to go back around, bro. This guy, fam. Told this guy here. This guy, yes. Alright. Look at this neighborhood, bro. Oh my god. Hey, this is where I want to live, bro. What the hell? Look at this, bro. Nah, this isn't fair. Do you know where I live? Do you know where I live? I live in a flat, bro. Look at this, isn't fair. Yo. This is mad. I live in the slums compared to what this is, my guy. Yo. Look, this is the kind of thing that gets me motivated to go out and get a house, man. This is the kind of shit. Big man thing. I think this is the push that I needed, big man. I need to work a bit. I need to get a new job, work hard, and go buy a house. Scare me, fam. Living with my mum is not doing it no more. Go on. Fam, is there that much traffic? I actually got a filter then. Ooh, what a driver, fam. Is it free? Wait, I don't think there's any cars after this. No, there is, but it's way down there. Let's go for it. Let's go for it. Yeah. No! Hey yo. Hey yo. I can't move anymore, bro. Hey yo, I can't move anymore. This guy. Come here, innit? Come in. Hey yo. No, how are you gonna get bagged, fam? For what? You don't want to get bagged for that, bro. Shut up, man. Look at this guy. Whee! Look where you're going, man. Yeah, shit. What are you doing, bro? Where was I? Yeah, so basically I owe you guys a walk around of my bike. I've done so many mods to this thing now. I think it's time to do a walk around. I've obviously the screen, the mirrors, some other things that you can't see, like a power commander. This baby can put power wheelies now effortlessly. It's so mad. Yeah, I need to show you guys everything that I've done to this. I think you've seen most of it, but there's some things that you need to see. Look at you. Hey, all you need is some gear and you'll look the part, bro. I'm telling you. Mums, why you, hey. Yeah, I can see. Whoa, do you see that? Yo, I went flying. Oh, look at this nice downhill, bro. Look at that. Oh my lord. Hey. I love this bike so much. Yo. It's the little things in life, Felipe, bro. I swear to God. I swear to God, it's the little things in life, bro. It's actually mad. On a 125 no more. I'm saying the grass is greener, big man. That's what I'm trying to say. I don't think that there's a single time I've been on this bike that I haven't smiled. Hey, I have a friend to ride with again, man. After Blaze left, I was mad sad. I was actually bare lonely, fam. I was just going to these bike meets, fam, to try meet friends. I'm making space for you, fam. Look at you, look at you. Why are you ridiculing me when I'm making space for you? I'm being nice for you, bro. Chat to them.
Fight to your Ross.
You're the dumbest guy, fam, I swear. What does your license plate say? Oh, it says ghost. It says ghost. It says ghost. Don't forget that, yeah? It says ghost. What's taking so long, man? Should we go to the front? I was on this road earlier. Hey, come on, bro. Put the hammer down, bro. Put the hammer down. Put the hammer down. Put the hammer down. Put the hammer down. Full throttle, big man. Full throttle, big man. Come on. Full throttle, big man. Full throttle, come on! Come on! Come on! Ah! Let me show you video, guys. Let me show you what a real bike is, big man. And speed camera, but we should be alright. I know these man love a video with footing in it. Look at all these car peasants, bro. Oh shit. Second exit, Come on, big man. Take it, 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 take it. Come on, move over. This guy, fam. Hey. Come on, come on. Oh my god. Oh my day, this guy, fam. I know. I have to do it by force. Never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Oh, second gear. Oh. He's a cod, fam. You have to get into this lane anyway. Yeah. What did you do, fam? You been what? Yeah, most definitely, bro. You were scared to go like 10 miles an hour, fam, but look at you now, out here on the 50-mile-an-hour roads. Yeah, bro, that's what it's about, getting out and getting the practice, you get. Once you get that practical road practice, bro, that's where all your nerves go away and you get used to it. That's how you gotta do it. The same with me. When I went out first time on my scooter, I was mad scared, but the more and more I got used to it, after like the second day of riding, I was more comfortable, bro. It happens, bro. It happens. It happens. I almost dropped my bike one time as well. This one when I first got it. I went to sit on it and then it must not been on the side stand properly, innit? Then the bike slipped and I almost dropped it. It happens, bro. It happens to all of us. Even most experienced riders will tell you, bro, like dropping your bike is inevitable eventually. Yeah. Don't look at me like that. Don't look back at me like that, big man. Woo! I have to see it. Yeah, you, fam. You better touch this bike while you can. Oh, Blazer, you seeing this big man? I keep seeing all the bikes that he likes.